good morning to one and all present here. I, Anjali Vaswani, on behalf of
Horizon Competition School is going to deliver the speech on the topic World Health Day. On World Health Day, we celebrate the significance of health and well-being on a global scale. It's a day to raise awareness about various health issues affecting people worldwide and to advocate for universal healthcare access. This year, the focus could be on a specific health concern like mental health, vaccination, awareness, or environmental health. By educating ourselves and others, promoting healthy environment and healthy habits, supporting healthcare initiatives, we contribute to a healthier future for everyone. So, let's join hands in spreading the message of good health and well-being for all. Thank you.